Hello and welcome to the channel. Spring is here and iGarden was kind enough to send me their iGarden K25 Robotic Pool Cleaner to check out. It's time to open the pool, and who wants to deal with pulling out the pool hose and manually vacuuming a bunch of debris? I sure don't. And speaking of, here's the current status of my pool. Check out all those leaves and sediment. This should be no problem for the robot, so let's get this mess cleaned up. So you want to make sure your charging port is securely sealed and turn the iGarden K25 on and select your cleaning mode. Next, just place the robot into the pool and turn it upside down, then right back up to help get rid of any trapped air, and let it go on its way. The cleaning cycle has finished, and while there are a few leaves left, this was a great job for the shortest clean mode selected. More on that later. I'll go ahead and pull the robot out to see what all was captured. I'll go ahead and remove the debris basket now and see what we've got. We just have to pull on this tab and open up the door. Well, that looks like a good amount picked up by the robot. I'll just go dump this really quick. As with all robotic pool cleaners, be sure to rinse them off with fresh water before putting away. By the way, here's the master on-off switch that disconnects the battery from the main electronics, which is useful to prevent vampire drain and for long-term storage. So one of the key benefits of this robot is the ability to set the duration. Being as I set it for a short duration, it has battery left over to go right back in for another cleaning cycle without first having to charge it again. Depending on how many times you throw the robot into the pool, one charge can last you an entire week of cleaning. So, back into the pool it goes to get the remaining debris. The second cycle is now over, and all debris was captured. So, let's see what all comes with the robotic cleaner. Upon opening the box, you'll find the quick start guide right on top. Retrieval hook, the water-resistant charger, the user manual, and the robot itself. Notice how well it was packaged. It has a very sleek appearance and nice bright orange accents on the wheel covers. Going over the quick start guide, it explains what all the indicators and touch buttons do as far as operation. I temporarily brought the robot indoors to better see and show the control panel. Once you unlock or turn the main power on underneath the K25, the unit will be in standby mode. Power it on by touching the on/standby button in the center of the control panel. The top left button toggles your clean cycle duration. The top right button toggles cleaning the walls and floors or just the floor. The cyclone button is your turbo mode for extra cleaning power, and the loop button is your scheduled AI timer. And the last is the battery level indicator. It's not required, however, for even more control, you can pair the iGarden K25 with the app on your phone by scanning the QR code from the Quick Start Guide. Once installed, just turn the main switch to unlock or on underneath the robot and touch the power button on the top panel. Launch the app on your phone, sign up to create an account, and allow the required permissions so that the robot can be detected. Once found, tap Add, and connect it to your Wi-Fi, and tap Done. The pool cleaner is now listed. Tap on it to access the controls. For instance, you can enable or disable Turbo 200% mode to boost cleaning power, but note this will use more battery. You can toggle from wall and floor cleaning to just floor cleaning. You're able to adjust the endurance, or rather duration, of a cleaning cycle, as well as set the cleaning schedule so that you can set and forget up to a week of hassle-free cleaning. Tapping the three dots up in the top right corner gives you the options to see your device's information, which includes the robot's ID, IP and MAC address, set time zone. It allows you to check the device's network connection, as well as check for and apply any firmware updates, which is important for any bug fixes and or improvements. Overall, I think this is a great robotic pool cleaner, especially being able to run multiple clean cycles on a single charge, as well as being able to set a schedule to clean throughout the week. It has a decent sized debris basket that is very easy to remove and clean, and has a mode for increased power for heavy debris scenarios such as after a storm or maybe a large pool party. My only complaint is that the control panel is hard to see on a bright sunny day. If you're in the market for an easy to use, set and forget automated cleaning throughout the week, definitely consider this. I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description. Do you own an iGarden robotic cleaner? How has your experience been? Leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe or follow for any future videos I release. Thanks for watching.